want that to lay on the pad, on the iPad cover. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this end for the end where the D-ring is going to go and the Velcro. What you're going to do is that you're going to put a mark at 7.5 inches and 8.5 inches. 7.5, you're going to put the Velcro from 7.5 toward the end. Then after the Velcro is on, you're going to slide the D-ring on. Here. To the 8.5-inch mark and fold it there. Alright? Now the thing is, that's going to be folded over. You're going to take this cover. This is going to go on the cover like this. Okay, so this is the front cover, that's the back cover. This is going to wrap around and get Velcroed over here. So by putting the joint, which is like right around here, stitched down to the cover, no one will know there's a joint in your buckram. I'm talking about that joint in the stiffening material. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to take and make a mark about 1 inch or so from this edge, so you know where to start the stitching to go up, across, and down. Now here's the thing, it's always a U-shape, up, across, and down. Then when you lay this down on your iPad cover, you're going to go up, across, and down. Okay, so the U-shape is always going like this. You're going to use something so that you can consistently stitch not quite 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Okay, now, so then here you go up, across, down. Then you're going to tape it down here in the center. And you're going to go up, across where you marked that chalk line, and down here. Okay, you don't have to go across here. All right. Then once you're done with that, the Velcro's already on. The Velcro's already on here. You need to put a piece of Velcro on here. So let me see. Let me get my template. We'll measure. Measure how far that is from that front edge. Ooh, everything goes flying. Here's the template. So this goes here. The Velcro is going to go from this point over. So let's just see how far that is. It's going to be 5 inches. So make a mark 5 inches from this edge and put your Velcro in the middle of the strap at the 5 inch and over. Okay, stitch around it. Then you're done with this for now. You're going to switch over to the lining. Okay? So with the lining, you're going to take and you're going to mark the middle. Then you're going to mark on either side. This is a 3/4 of an inch, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So what'll happen is that if this is 17, you're going to mark at 8.5. Then you're going to mark 3/8 of an inch on either side. Okay. Then you're going to mark with take a sewing gauge, set it for 2 3/4 inches, and make marks from this corner and this corner 2 3/4, 2 3/4 from this corner and this corner, and then from the right-hand line, you're going to go 2 3/4, 2 3/4. From the right-hand line here, 2 3/4, 2 3/4. Your elastic, cut this in 4-inch pieces, okay? And you're going to attach just the vertical end of the elastic, because we do not attach this horizontal edge of the elastic until the book board's in. Because if we pull on it, it's going to shrink the fabric and make it difficult to work with. When you do this, if the line, say there's this, let's imagine this is the line. When you have the line, that's the right-hand line, there's one in the middle and there's one over here, make sure that this corner goes past this right-hand line so that you can sew it right here. Don't let this go past the left-hand line, okay? This can go anywhere between the two outer lines that you've drawn, okay? And then you're going to go vertically here, and this will just be angled toward that mark over here. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're only going to sew parallel to the vertical lines here. Then you're going to take and fold that down. And fold it down and pin it so that your elastic is going to be folded down like this and pinned out of the way of the edge. Because we are going to then take this and sew it to this. Okay? So then this is all sewn. You're going to flip this like this. These are in place. You're going to put this on here. And you're going to wonder clip it all the way around. And you're going to sew in a U shape. Side, bottom, and side. You're going to leave the top open to put the book board in. Okay? So once you get those 3 sides sewn, this is on here, and you've got all this set, you're going to then put the spine on. And you're going to put the spine right in the middle, wonder tape it down, and you're going to sew really close to this edge and really close to this edge. And that's going to make your 2 pockets for your book board. Okay? Once you get the book board slid in, then you're going to sew the top shut. From this side is more stable. So you have this at the top, you have the less stable side at the bottom against the feed dogs. Okay?